Then you need the wire. Good job. So when it's a closed circuit, you see when it's closed circuit, I'm going to try to build a fan. So these are the parts that are inside the box. The box, the body for 390 is the science center. Fix it into the hole. Okay, press it in.
It's a gate.
You need this power source. Then you need a switch to turn on and off your fan. Clips to hold on to the wire. Then you need the wire. Then you need the turbine for the fan. And then you need the fan itself. The fan. Push it in.
Go.
Put it in, push it in. Then let go. Let go of the pink color thing. Yes. Yeah, good job. Okay, put it back on the table. Here and here is where you attach the wires to power up. Put it in. Poke it through. Yes, just pull up. Yes. Correct. Okay, stop. Okay, yeah, good job. Good job. Then we twist it. Okay, this is what happens after you twist it. Fit the red one through the red color. Fit. Put it in. Okay, drop it. Okay, put it down and put it on the table. Put it down on the table. Now fit the black color one. And put it in. Good job. Through here, like just now, like that. Do. Fit the red color one through. Push. Put inside.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, now you turn on the switch. Hey, wait. Finally this thing comes into play. Yeah, you see? Ta-da! When you do this, you create a circuit. But then when the switch is off, the circuit is broken. So when you switch it on, the circuit is attached intact already. Then the current will run from here, positive and negative. That's how when it runs, the current will run from here to here when you turn on the switch. Then you will operate the fan. Okay, press the switch again. Ta-da! Understand? No, unclip. Let go. See? The circuit is broken. So you see, this one will even when you do this, the circuit is broken, so the fan won't run. So this clip must touch, the metallic part must touch the wire, the exposed wire, then the fan will run. Can you put the clip on the exposed wire? You take the clip here, red color clip. Clip it on the wire. Press the wire. Yes. When you clip on the exposed wire, the circuit is intact again and the electricity will run. No, the switch is not the important part. As long as any part of the circuit is broken, the current will not run. Understand or not? Okay, you understand? So that's why you need to have a complete circuit for the electricity to run.